are treating the whole earth like the car
parking
park.
lot, yeah.
And then they are just like, they have fins also.
Yeah. So जेब में किधर है, चाबी किसके पास है,
They look also like they are wearing coats, jacket. अरे कौन सा pocket में रखा क्या? If CRISPR technology works, if they are able to get a woolly mammoth, the next thing I am guaranteeing you is you will see a photo of a sheikh in Dubai with a saber-toothed tiger. Guess what nightmare movie started with the same setup?
Oh yeah. Jurassic Park.
Does something come to mind? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Radical Measures podcast, episode number 15.
Hello.
We are on YouTube. We are on Spotify. We are on Instagram. Me at gaurav.v.pawar. Him at Corderio Noel. You will see the tags over here. Let's get rolling.
Yeah, start.
Start off with the first topic of this episode. Penguins. You know, the animals that we got in Mumbai, kept in a zoo. The ones we find cute. The ones whom, waddle about.
The answer of the flightless bird that only swims, that GK question and whatnot.
That was how it was introduced
to us.
Penguins were the tricky question when it came to birds.
Yeah.
Flightless, likes to swim.
Eats fish.
It's almost as if when they were evolving, penguins just saw how much fun can be had in water. And they're like, no, we are not coming. We are not coming. I want my fins.
Yeah.
I don't want wings.
They just saw eagles and all picking up smaller birds and like, this is not life.
That looks like too much work.
Yeah, too much work.
Why do I want to see fish from far away? That doesn't make any sense.
यही तो खाने का है.
If we are going to eat fish anyway.
Penguins thought what we both look at when we look for houses for rent or anything. खाने का जगह किधर है यहाँ पे अच्छा.
They were just practical when it comes to evolution. Well, we are talking like two numbnuts who don't know anything about penguins because there is migration. There are other things that like to eat penguins, like leopard seals.
Leopard seals, polar bears also. No?
Oh my God.
Yeah, they just come and they crab. And
imagine if you're a penguin and you come across a polar bear, the difference in speed.
Yeah.
Polar bear would think this is going to be the easiest meal ever. I'll just walk up to penguin while the penguin tries to walk away. And I'll still eat it.
Now it's nice to know that you are flightless. Khatam.
That was the moment. Imagine when you are being hunted by a polar bear and you're trying to waddle away. And then you see a seagull fly by. My ancestors made the wrong choice. My ancestors made the wrong choice.
Of all things. Yeah, the fish is there in plenty, but fucking polar bears, dude.
And the news has come out that scientists have been studying penguin shit. Like all scientists.
Like everything.
Study all sorts of shit. See, shit is such a...
It's so important, no?
It is so...
so important.
It is not important to us at all.
No. Thank God. Thank God we aren't that kid who stamped on shit and said, I want to make my career in this.
But to understand how the animal functions, the biology of it, the movement, the tracking of all of that, they were studying it, what it is, the composition of it and whatnot.
What does this insides of this penguin look like?
So they were studying it, and what they came out with is a probability that penguins might not be from Earth.
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, because they found
phosphine.
Yeah.
Phosphine in the shit, which is seen mostly on Venus.
Yeah.
Right, that planet, which is sometimes visible in the sky.
Also called Earth's twin. Some people say it may have been like Earth millions and millions of years ago, but it's not like Earth anymore.
Is that what is going to happen to our planet?
Yeah, yes. That's like the prequel.
Yes.
The carbon dioxide.
Prequel to what is going to happen to us, yes.
Yeah.
And they are definitely looking at studying the composition of it, and they reach the conclusion. And
phosphine.
It doesn't sound that improbable.
Yeah.
If you have seen a penguin.
They just
short legs.
Yeah, they look like they're out of this world.
I have seen E.T. Okay. And they walk like
I have seen Jadoo. Same thing.
Same thing. Copycats. Sorry.
Based on penguin.
Sorry. Inspired by. After 20 fucking years. Karunesh Talwar has a good bit on it.
Yeah. And does not need promotion.
Does not need promotion. Exactly. In fact, the other way around.
Yeah.
Hey, Karunesh, if you can give
Put
us a
one
shout
card.
out.
Put one card in your video.
Yeah.
These guys mentioned Jadoo. Anyway, penguins.
Walk like E.T. Waddling about.
Yeah.
You know, they have a flock.
Huh.
And whenever they walk, their necks always go like this.
Huh.
You know, they always go. It's almost like they're searching for a spacecraft.
Yeah.
Like they know they have
कुछ
been
तो
left.
आएगा किधर तो है किधर है
They-
Where did we park the spacecraft?
किधर है? हाँ, किधर park किया? किधर park
Like
किया?
वो वाला zone में है पूरा. Like चाबी किधर है?
they are treating the whole earth
हाँ.
like the car
Parking
park.
lot, yeah.
And then they are just like they have fins also.
Yeah. So जेब में किधर है? चाबी किसके पास है?
They look also like they are wearing coats,
हाँ.
jacket. अरे कौन सा pocket में रखा क्या?
Dude, but I saw just because you're talking about penguins, I saw this video of like because many penguin eggs don't hatch or
हाँ.
like die in the cold and all. They fight for penguin chicks also, like baby penguins also,
Yeah.
and it's crazy the way they'll just go and like almost as if they're pecking the penguin.
Yeah, but a lot of animals do that. Zebras do that. Like male zebras
Huh.
will try to kill other kids.
No, they won't try to kill. They'll try to adopt it.
Oh,
So the fight is to adopt the penguin.
Oh, to adopt the.
Yeah,
मेरा बेटा,
ये मेरा बेटा 10-20 penguin एक छोटा ऐसा अरे मत ना.
How much attention?
Yeah. And how much attention you don't want. Like, fuck, Anath, orphanage, please.
It is the inversion of an orphanage.
Yeah.
Where the child feels insecure. Arey, but who is my parent?
ये penguin is like, please, Mumbai लेके चलो मेरे को.
No,
That is better.
like the baby chick finally is chosen by like
Huh.
two mates.
Huh.
Okay. And then the penguin chick is thinking,
Huh.
what if these are not
My parents.
my
yeah.
real parents?
Dude, there could be 2 male penguins also.
Yeah.
वो भी होता है ना?
Yeah.
Huh.
They're very progressive species that way.
Yeah, no, just desperate. Just desperate.
Or progressive.
People just die. Antarctica में shit just dies.
चल तू चल.
चल yeah, dude.
It's like the prison version of
Yeah.
nature.
Yes.
Whatever is
Antarctica
available.
that prison.
What ice prison?
Ice prison.
What क्या दिख रहा है दूर तक सफेद ही है bro, और कुछ नहीं है.
अरे आग बंद कर ले कुछ नहीं. वैसे भी 6 महीना इधर पूरा डार्कनेस ही है ब्रो. कुछ नहीं दिखता है.
How amazing would it be if this theory
Yeah.
is just certified by the fact that we get UFOs.
हाँ.
Okay, all of those UFO sightings are them just looking for penguins at the wrong places. And then we just get a UFO which is coming to planet Earth.
It lands in Antarctica.
Lands in Antarctic and all the penguins go on top of it. You know?
No, dude.
Tuk करके imagine the thing comes down, the ramp comes down.
नहीं UFO आएगा. US का प्रेसिडेंट पुतिन अपना प्राइम मिनिस्टर सब ऐसा एकदम टाई शर्ट डाल के कि वी विल मेक फर्स्ट कांटेक्ट. हेलो और ऐसा सब बाहर ही इधर ही चले गए. ए इधर आओ करके और सब पेंगुइन को अंदर लेके.
Elon, Bezos, all of them will be there. You know, all of them will be there, and then this alien will come out with वो traffic का ये रहता ना.
दो देश आ जाओ.
And then in between all of the world leaders, you just see the penguins walking up, and all the world leaders, shit, इज्जत का फालूदा हो गया बे. Shit.
Dude.
मतलब हम लोग भी कोट पहना है. सर ना वो लोग भी कोट पहना है मगर पेंगुइन लोग ऐसे बीच में से जा रहे हैं.
Imagine if like actually penguins are like how those kittens and puppies get abandoned on the street. They are that version of the aliens ka pets.
They have left their pets behind.
They've left their pets behind, and now there are these liberal folk who are always on Instagram saying, "No, adopt this kitten, adopt this." So alien का liberal बच्चे लोग आए और were like, "We are adopting the penguins now and taking them."
We are adopting the whole species. We will save.
Yeah.
Oh God! What if that does happen? Imagine we try to save things, no?
Yeah.
Human beings are so scared of death that we try to save other things also from death, like
True.
bird. If you see a dog, which
I
is
will
injured,
nurse it to health and whatnot.
Then we try to shave shave also.
That is also there.
Shave sheep, but we try to save species also. Correct. For example, we come to know it's endangered. No.
Get them to fuck now.
Pandas, we did that.
Yeah.
No. They cannot die.
They cannot
we have to get them to have sex no matter what.
Is there any place for them to stay? No. Do they have good food? No. We can't let them die though.
Rhinos, the same thing.
Yeah.
We try to save. What if the apocalypse
हाँ.
is a given. Because meteoroid strike bol, ye bol. As far as history is concerned, science is concerned, Venus might be the future. So, what if there's a lottery system of species to be saved? Like there's just the aliens are playing like a lottery system of, see, we have 5 slots.
Yeah.
We need to choose well. And like the alien billionaires choose the species. Okay, I'm going to save this. Humanity to
not cute enough, dude.
not cute enough.
Not
demanding.
Enough. If anything, dude, we are the freaks of nature.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like हम लोग डिस्कवरी वगैरह देखता है, we go down like deep sea में एक कोई तो ऐसा ओशन फ्लोर पे एक क्रीचर है जो वियर्ड दिखता है और डिस्कवरी का वो डेविड एटनबरो वगैरह बोलते हैं दिस इज द फ्रीक ऑफ नेचर. डूड हम लोग कैमरा नीचे भेजा है, हम लोग फ्रीक है डूड. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
अपन हर एक चीज हाउ डज इट रिप्रोड्यूस?
आई वांट टू सी. वही देखा है.
आई वांट टू सी.
हम लोग इनको सेक्स देखते देखते टर्न ऑन हो रहे हैं अपना स्पीशीज का मेंबर लोग. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Like as if pornography wasn't enough.
No. We need every other species. That is what Noah's Ark was.
This is pornography for science. That is what the scientists are telling.
We connect with nature like this.
See, that is for dirty things.
Yeah.
This is for study.
आप intention देखो.
And that is why we will not be chosen.
No.
We will not be chosen. Other species might. What do you think? If I'm giving you like 5 slots, okay,
species?
you're an alien species, you have 5 slots, and you have to choose amongst all the species. You have to choose 5.
Cats for one, definitely.
Why?
Because alien species जो भी रहेगा, if they've reached till here, if they want to save shit, they're definitely narcissists. And nothing's cuter. So they'll have something Instagram and whatnot. Nothing works better on Instagram than cat videos.
Their version of Insta.
Yeah. Whatever they have is that. वो एक है.
What if our trend becomes intergalactic?
Oh,
Cat
ये वाला ना?
videos are not just viral on our planet.
It's viral everywhere. Like imagine it travels light years and light years. Oh my god, such a cute kitten. And then you realize it took like 4 light years. Oh, the kitten's dead also.
So, okay, cats. All right. Second.
Cats. Definitely snakes. Because there's...
Snakes?
Yeah. There's going to be... You're asking from the aliens perspective, no?
Yes.
Aliens perspective. Snakes
well,
definitely...
you are the alien over here, so I'm judging your choices also.
Okay.
We started with cats, Egyptian, maybe snakes. Oh my god.
Because there's always going to be these goth teenage people or like just college people who are always be like, yeah man, we got to be the rockers of this generation. You got to be dangerous and you got to show that this is also beautiful. Those guys will be there.
Like the aliens are just holding like a python.
Yeah. Just trying to do that to each other. We need something.
We have 2
from
down,
the fish,
3 boxes left.
One of the fish. So
octopus?
Oh yes, definitely octopus.
If you're taking something from the ocean.
Yeah. It has to be octopus. Because come on, dude, there's nothing like an octopus.
Octopus? Octopus? No, not a blowjob. My God, what the? You want a blowjob from an octopus?
Aliens want.
You wanted you as you're banned from all aquariums. Okay, Noel. You are banned from all aquariums.
No, because you had the same expression on your face that you have when we were discussing the AI.
Oh, no. My face was because see, octopus. You've seen the movie Aliens? Ridley Scott. वो अंडा रहता है, अंडे से ऐसा बाहर आता है.
All भाई दिखेगा ना उन लोगों को उसमें.
Octopus will be the alien creature for aliens.
हाँ.
You know what I mean?
Oh, okay,
because in that movie you will have that scutlim, you know, spider-like or octopus-like, it wraps itself around you and whatnot. That is what an octopus does. That is how it hunts. I saw a video of an octopus hunting a seagull. The seagull was just resting on the surface of the water like, hey, chill, life is amazing, मैं खेकड़ा खाया, mast, wow. You know, I had a lobster dinner, ऐसा करके chill, doing and this octopus just comes from down and wraps its tentacles around and you can see the fear on the seagull's face. Like, कोई ने बताया ये होएगा, कोई ने बताया.
Life didn't prepare me for this.
Public?
I dodged straws and soda bottles for this.
क्या मतलब I was trained to survive so much, but not an octopus. Like, there is 1, then there is 2, then there is 3. How many arms does this animal have?
You got me. You got me. Like, bas.
An octopus would make for the best kabaddi player.
Oh yeah.
Because that is how an octopus hunts.
हाँ.
It plays kabaddi with its prey. kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
It can't help but play with its food. It just can't help.
And then the octopus killed it and left. It did not even eat the seagull. It killed it just so that it was like practicing.
No, you're basically looking at all the other seagulls. This is a message for all of you.
No,
This could happen.
नहीं इधर आके सीगल हकता है हमेशा में इरिटेट करता है मार के रखेगा एक को वापस आके कोई हगेगा नहीं इधर
ओशन क्लीन रखने का जहाँ से तुम लोग खाता है वहाँ पे हगने का नहीं.
So we have three boxes. Okay, we have snakes, we have
cats
and octopus. We have two slots left.
Oh, definitely alligators.
Reptiles.
Crocodiles.
Reptiles again. We
अच्छा
have
again
snakes.
reptile. ठीक है, bird चाहिए ना अपने को.
You choose, buddy.
We need a bird. They'll want a bird. Would they go for sparrow or would they go
I think
for...
elephants.
Oh yeah, of course, dude.
Elephants.
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 For sure, yeah.
Elephants and
Just the sheer size, they'll be like, "Arey, ye chahiye, dude."
Yeah.
Plus, like the trunk will remind them of an octopus.
Elephants and I'm torn between like a whale or a dolphin because it's ocean again, or insects because we have only one slot left.
As a
Butterfly?
whole species. Oh, I think mosquitoes. Because they are the species that
you have just chosen out of 5 you have chosen 3 which can bring apocalypse on that planet.
That's the reason, because mosquitoes have killed most humans ever. You know, in terms of they are our worst
Biggest
predators.
killer. Yeah.
Right. So for aliens, it will be like, wow, these guys were dominant species or whatever they call themselves. Fucking these guys fucked them left, right, and center throughout.
That piece of knowledge that mosquitoes have killed more human beings than anything else put together, including wars, just shows the genius of Nana Patekar's dialogue in that movie.
Ek machhar.
Where ek machhar.
Ek machhar.
That dialogue encapsulates so much.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know
So
complete
it's-
that dialogue, but
On that note,
ladies and gentlemen, here's a call to action for you. Please hit like on this video and comment on any more topics that you want us to talk about, all right?
you like the alien trip that we went on, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we also end up sharing up content on Insta and whatnot. So check us out on Spotify as well.
yeah.
We made our choices clear. 5 boxes.
Yeah.
Which would be your 5 boxes? कौन सा species बचाएगा? Let us know in the comment section below. Continuing this Animal Kingdom episode of the Radical Measures podcast, I came across a piece of news which brought forth the word why.
Instagram. Yes. That is a weird news that just comes. Instagram is either in denial or some stupid weird news they'll give you.
Some scientists have thought that it would be a good idea, a great idea in fact, to clone a mammoth, a woolly mammoth. वो Ice Age movie में जो था ना character.
Manny.
Yeah.
Manny the mammoth. They want to get him here. And today's day and age. Good idea. Nice. Bro, global warming चालू है.
Let's
How
just.
you?
That's the first reason. Let's just think about why 2 stupid people like us would object intellectually
Yeah.
to this idea. Firstly, global warming.
Yeah.
The polar ice caps are melting, and you are trying to get something which survives in ice.
Just let them meet a Siberian husky in Bombay. That's it. दिखा देख इसका ये हालत हो गया है. क्या होएगा वुली मेहमत का अगर तू बनाया तो?
They have probably seen that movie 10,000 BC and thought हम लोगों को construction में मदद चाहिए. What if we have extra JCBs? You cannot.
Civil engineering of all things.
That's the first problem, global warming. The second one, clear cut, is we will not stop.
Yeah, we'll just continue.
We will not stop at woolly mammoths. You're using this CRISPR technology, which is already heavily contested in terms of morality, ethics. Should we bring something back from extinction? Are
it
we
died
God?
because of the reason this freaking earth rejected them. Okay, it was like no. Abhi we are changing how things run around here. Woolly mammoths are not part of the plan, and now we are bringing them back. Oh God, dude, this is
Because
bad.
the only thing you will need is money, and there are people with money. Okay, I can definitely see if CRISPR technology works, if they are able to get a woolly mammoth, the next thing I am guaranteeing you is you will see a photo of a sheikh in Dubai with a saber-toothed tiger.
Yeah, he's just sitting down like ये बनाओ, ये मेरे लिए मस्त.
They will show the same movie reference. Ice Age का तू ये लाया ना, मेरे लिए ये लेके आ.
They'll be like, I want the full set now. I want this, I want that Sid wala character, and I want one Asian baby also.
And the whole show off is, anyway, for a lion and a tiger, they are just left on the lawn. ऐसा मतलब बाहर बैकयार्ड पे वगैरह खुला रखता है ऐसा. ये मुस्तफा गोश्त खिला और फिर खुला ऐसा yawn करता है. That time they show Instagram. With saber-tooth you don't need him to yawn also. ऐसा ही दांत दिखाई देगा.
दांत दिख रहा है क्या? Guess how big everything else is.
And guess what nightmare movie started with the same setup?
Oh yeah. Jurassic Park.
Does something come to mind? Does something come to mind? In that hypothetical situation.
Again, money people. Again, people who are like,
scientists.
ये होना चाहिए.
Scientists.
The smartest people around.
To bring back a species.
Yeah.
Educational purposes. Will make an educational SL world. That is
to
what,
teach people about stuff that's found nowhere else.
ऐसा कैसा SL world पे पिकनिक को लेके जाता है वैसा इधर भी बच्चे लोग को पिकनिक पे लेके आएगा. And then everybody ate the kids.
Yeah.
You know, all the animals whom you brought alive ate the children. And ate them how? And not just one type of dinosaur, all types of dinosaurs.
Oh, it wasn't a herbivore. That is what happens.
Even a herbivore can step on you and you die. Why do you want to bring a woolly mammoth back?
No, don't. In fact, dude, that's another thing. You can get the mammoth back, but that mammoth lived in one ecosystem, no? उसका आजू बाजू भी चीज था ना, फूड चेन का पार्ट था, वो सब भी लाना पड़ेगा.
It had to fit in somehow.
हाँ.
Like, if I am thinking about cloning, spend it on something that I'll find useful.
Chicken.
But then again, the thought comes to mind, wouldn't cloning a chicken be that much more expensive
as compared to just
a normal what we do to chickens anyway? Put them in a factory and, you know, bring them up in inhumane conditions. Of course, free range is there, but you don't have money for free range, dude.
And more like free range में और इसमें टेस्ट में ज़्यादा फर्क है क्या?
हाँ.
Okay.
It's like Armani और अरुणा में फर्क है क्या? है तो सही.
A good happy chicken makes for great tandoori.
Armani और अरुणा टेलर में फर्क है.
Dude. Actually, I mean, there is this records and all ना कि मुगल कोट का जो chickens था, उन लोगों को गुलाब जल वाला seeds, उनका seeds वगैरह bird seeds जो था, they would soak it in गुलाब जल.
है, I believe it. वो मुगलाई खाना ही ऐसा था कि उसमें ये सब रहेगा.
ऑलरेडी मैरिनेट कर रहा है तू.
केसर चिकन केसर खा रहा है. दिस इज केसरी चिकन
ऑलरेडी.
चिकन का फेदर्स बदल गया है, कलर बदल गया है. ये येलो हो जाएगा ना ज्यादा सैफरन में तभी पकाओ. That means it's gotten into it properly. And woolly mammoth they are getting back. And then there are certain hypothetical animals who are already a part of society.
Yeah. Identity is there at least.
We go to the land of Japan.
Racist sound music also. Like, whatever.
Konnichiwa. The land of weird pornography and sushi. We go to the land of Olympics.
Yeah.
Where you had
Recent
the flaming
Olympics.
torch and you had a lollipop with a motor attached to it. We
the one that...
We go to the land of bullet train.
Everything is good but also weird over there.
Yes. Apparently, the citizenship of Japan is incredibly diverse.
Yeah.
Very diverse. For example, apart from provinces like Hokkaido and Tokyo, you know, where you have different people. I don't even know how to say this.
So apparently, the people of Japan have given citizenship to Godzilla. To Godzilla, a creature that is known for destroying their city.
You also participate in our democracy.
It's like finding Osama bin Laden in that Islamabad wala bungalow and saying, here's your citizenship, here's your green card. Like it's doing
Come
that.
vote in New York.
Yeah. What would you think? Biden or Trump? Is asking him that.
Godzilla is a legitimate citizen, of course. This is a PR stunt.
Yeah.
And what a PR stunt.
Yeah, because
I must say.
so many people must be over there with work visas and saying like, "Mera kab aayega?"
Imagine there is just a crowd of Japanese people
Huh.
clapping
Yeah.
while there is a human being in Godzilla costume taking the certificate of being a citizen.
this is that whole crowd of people together on that day said, "Hey, yaar, aaj mere ko I need a break from life. I need to do something crazy." I'm like, yeah, I'll clap for this.
And how do you set this up? So they are just imagining all sorts of scenarios. Like,
Yeah.
okay, so Godzilla is
Huh.
now a citizen of Japan. That means he has voting rights.
Yeah.
So they'll just take like a big voting machine to the beach. They'll just take and then Godzilla will just crawl out of the ocean.
Voter ID card.
Voter ID. No, he would be wearing it. They must have made like a card latka ke, and then you will just see the fins first as a zoom coming from the ocean, and then Godzilla just crawls out, and then there are two big holographic photos of candidates. Candidate 1 and candidate 2, and then Godzilla will stand and and he just presses that paw. And if both the candidates are not if Godzilla looks at both and is not satisfied,
Yeah.
then you have the fire. Just destroying the holographic city.
Yeah. Everybody is like, we need the Godzilla vote. Because without the Godzilla vote, there is no democracy.
And it's not just the voting rights that we are tripping on, not just the citizenship. Once you get a citizenship, other boxes have to be filled also, na?
Yeah.
There is an official age.
Okay.
Now, just to clarify, when I came across this piece of news, this piece of news is from 2015. Okay. So, at that point of time, Godzilla's official age was 61.
Huh.
Okay. So, now we are in 2021.
Yeah, so he's 67 years old.
So Godzilla is officially 67 years old
He's
now.
a senior citizen. Children should do Pailagu and whatnot and say Godzilla-san to him. Oji-san. Oji-san.
67 मतलब कोविड शॉट भी लिया रहेगा.
ऑफ कोर्स उसको दिया है कि सर आप आ जाओ.
मास्क
कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग आपके घर आ जाएंगे. स्कूबा डाइवर लोग
शेपुट में बड़ा इंजेक्शन सबमरीन लेके. और सेकंड शॉट लेने के लिए और भी टाइम लगा बिकॉज फर्स्ट वन Godzilla was surprised by. Second one, the moment he saw the submarine, you're like, "Hey, वापस टोचने को आएगा ये लोग." निकलते इधर से.
दो कौन बोला, मेरे को कोई बताया नहीं ये पहले.
Yeah, they'll shoot like instead of torpedo, they'll shoot the out of the towards the.
Dude,
He'll walk out with like a cane.
You must have been so surprised when lockdown happened. Like Godzilla's like, अरे but मेरे को sushi खाने का था. I wanted to go and eat.
Oh my god. What if there is this thing? Abhi citizenship hai. He has to live the life of a citizen.
Yeah,
right?
I mean,
like how other citizens enjoy. He's named the brand ambassador of tourism.
Yeah.
So he's definitely working.
He has to have a good Instagram page on which he can show the best joints and whatnot.
So he's definitely working. To promote tourism.
Yeah.
Comes to ports, waves probably.
Yeah. Welcome to Japan.
Like imagine he's working at the airport. And
from your airplane window,
you
you
just see
one
Godzilla
big eye.
waving at
Another big eye.
He's just waving at you. And they have just like spray painted "Welcome to Japan" on him. He's just a mascot now. He's just a mascot for the city. And whenever you see Godzilla movies, they always show like he comes and he destroys, and started off in Japan. But what if they just show this part of Godzilla movie where both of them have come to an understanding? That is what they anyway show.
Yeah.
The subtext of all Godzilla movies is
Man and animal.
human beings and Godzilla. Like, yeah, fight for me.
He
ऐसा.
goes back and मस्त एक
Exactly. कि ये किया है
दोस्ती बन जाता है end में.
वगैरह.
Like all great friendship, it starts with a fight.
Yeah. So instead of that, what if you end up showing like Godzilla and human beings come to an understanding, and then you have like 20 Japanese sushi chefs who have just brought a whale in and they are just preparing sushi for Godzilla. You know, they have like these massive JCBs.
Discovery में mega structure आएगा. This is the JCB we use to
National-
cut sushi for
National Geographic
Godzilla.
वगैरह documentary में बताएगा वो लोग.
It
We
needs
have
to be-
created special saw. ऐसा करके.
He goes go.
Then they'll get all of the rice to roll it in. They'll use JCBs to roll the sushi roll. And then wasabi के लिए they'll like get like हाँ helicopter ऐसा उड़ा के लेके आ रहा है wasabi stock, giant wasabi stock.
No. There are Japanese school kids who are just like push. They're singing a song so that they can maintain the rhythm.
And then you just see Godzilla like with his 2 claws, just picking out just eating like a sushi roll. and just all of those like hundreds of sushi chefs are looking like कैसा लगा.
वो छींकने वाला है आ गया.
He just sneezes because of the wasabi. He just sneezes, and then he sees everybody's burnt. Oops. Sorry.
Second course.
Arre re. I think that does bring us to the end of
This
the special Animal Kingdom episode. We have gone over the globe, looked at a lot of different species. Let us know.
Real and imaginary, by the way.
Real and imaginary.
And imaginary.
Let us know which sort of animals would you choose to clone. Okay, imagine you're a crazy billionaire.
Yeah.
You are that Jurassic Park Buddha.
Yeah.
Whom would you choose to bring back apart from dinosaurs? Never a good idea. We have many movies which show us that. Okay, let us know that in the comment section.
And like this video, watch another one.
Yeah.
Go ahead, buddy.
Hey, congrats! You were there to the end of the video. Guess what? We got another one for you right here.